Hey there, and welcome back. We've reached the final module of the Facebook Ads series. In this module, I'll walk you through the steps to run your very first ad campaign. As mentioned in the previous module, there are 4 campaign objectives where it is specifically catered towards generating traffic to your favor. The 4 objectives are traffic, video views, lead generation, and conversions. For this particular module, we will only be focusing on conversions to illustrate a clear example of how you can start running your ads. Conversions functions to drive actions to your website or app. First, head on to your Facebook Ads Manager, and as you can see, there are different campaign objectives you can choose from. Under Conversion, click on the Conversions option. Once you've clicked on Conversions, you will then be directed to the lower half of the page where you need to insert your campaign name. When you've filled in your campaign name, you can proceed to click on Set Up Advert Account. When you set up your advert account, you're required to fill in your details, which include your country, currency, as well as time zone. When you're done, you click Continue at the bottom of the page on your right. When you are directed to the new page under Conversion, you're asked to choose which site you would want to promote. In this case, we will opt for Website. Then you need to start to select a conversion pixel for your website. In this case, we're selecting Complete Registration. Next is defining your audience. You must fill in your details specifically to whom you want your adverts to appear. The details include your custom audience, location, age, gender, and languages. Once you've filled in the details, remember to click Save this audience. The next step is your ad placement. You may opt for automatic or edit placement. I recommend you opt for edit placement. For the device types, you maintain both device and desktop. Then for starters, only opt for Facebook as your advertising platform, so it'll be easier for you to track your progress. The next step is to determine how much you're willing to spend for your ads. My recommendation is you scale small for the first time around. Start with $10 to $20 for your daily budget. Set your schedule to run My Advert Set continuously starting today. You can now proceed to the next section. Now you're ready to format your ads. Choose how you would like your advert to appear. In this example, I've selected the single image. You're then able to choose your preferred image for your advert, where it can be stock photos or uploading your own. Then, you need to fill in your website URL, your headline, and text for your advert. This would be focusing on what you intend to promote. All that's left to do now is to select your call to action button, and your ad is good to go. You can then proceed and click Confirm to run your advert. When your ads are up and running, it's time for you to track the performance of your ads to ensure you're minimizing the risk and maximizing your return on investment. One way to go about it is by conversion tracking. All you need to do is to go to your Ads Manager, click Campaigns, Ad Sets, or Ads depending on what you want to track. Then you select Customer Columns and check the boxes next to the actions that matter to you. This can be website purchases or cost per website purchases if your ad's goal is sales. You then click Apply and the results will be readily available for you in the reporting table.